Minisita w'ebyobwegyese n'emizano hona nabora omukama mukuru w'ihanga Janet Kataa Museveni niwe yakurra okushohoza ebirugiro omu bibuzo bya PLE eby'omwaka gw'2025 omuri nakasero Kampala kandi Dan Nokorach Odongo ori mukuru w'ekitongore kya UNEB yashoborera oku abeegi bakozire.
Mama, I report the overall performance by grades, that is distinction, credit and pass levels. The performance of candidates in the 4 subjects is compared over the 2-year period of 2025 and 2024 in the table below. The performance is indicated at distinction 2 and above, credit 6 and above, and pass 8 levels. So when we see English, those getting distinctions 2 and 1 are 10.1%. And if you compare this to 2024, that figure was only 4.9%.
Okurugera hari Odongo abeegi abarikwingana emitwaro 9,173 nibo bashutamire ebibuuzo ebi omu myanya erikurenga omutwaro 15,398 okwetooroora ihanga. Ahari aba abaana barikwingana emitwaro 9,199 bahikire omu idara ry'okubanza, emitwaro 38,823 bahikire omu idara rya kabiri, emitwaro 16,526 bahikire omu idara rya kashatu, emitwaro 8,724 bahikire omu idara rya kana, deera barikurenga emitwaro 707 bagwirire kimwe.
What is important, Mama, is that as we've seen in table 5, more of our candidates have passed in division 1 in 2025 than 2024. An increase, Mama, this is an increase of 7,689 in terms of numbers.
Professor Celestine Obua ori chairman w'akakiiko ka UNEB yatabarusya abeegi abahikire ebibuuzo bya PLE ebyakozirwe haro by'okwezi 3 hamwe n'ebiro 4 eby'okwezi kwa11 omu mwaka oguhire gw'2025.
Performance at grade 1 pass level has improved over the 2024 examination. Overall, more candidates have qualified to proceed to join the next level or cycle of education than in 2024. I have no doubt that with the efforts government has put towards expansion of access to post-primary education, all nearly 730,000 learners graded or passed will find places in secondary and vocational schools.
Permit me, Mama, to appreciate all stakeholders who has contributed towards quality education, because education is a shared responsibility, as you have always stated. Mama, on behalf of Ministry of Education and Sports Fraternity, we commit and we pledge to build not just strong schools, but to build strong values, to build strong character and quality education for our country.
Omu bigambo bye Janet Kataa Museveni yasiima UNEB abashomesa hamwe n'abaziire abatiirweho agabo kureba ngu abaana bahika, yatabarusya abeegi abahikire ebibuuzo kandi yasiima mukuru w'ihanga ab'okutandika UPA abeegi bingi baganyirwemu.
Since the inception of UPA, hundreds of thousands of our children who would otherwise have not had education due to challenges of school fees have been able to complete primary school cycle. With the renewal of the mandate now of the NRM government by the people of Uganda, UPE shall continue to play its role in expanding access to basic education for all. The commitment is to have all children attend primary education for free. That's the commitment government is going to have to make sure it really happens. That is, without paying any school fees, because completely free UPE is both an opportunity and a platform for all children in our homeland to receive foundational learning that primary education is supposed to give.
yashobora ngo ekitongole ky'ebyobwegyese kiriyo nikikora ekirikubasika okugunjura abashomesa ahabo kwenda kutungura omutindo gw'ebyobwegyese omu ihanga.
It is essential for our teachers, therefore, to adjust their teaching methods to the new realities. The Ministry of Education is implementing various interventions to ensure quality capacity building of our teachers. This is very important for our ministry, but also for the country as a whole. These interventions are part of the National Teacher Policy 2019, whose standards are being implemented through in-service or pre-service training opportunities.
Hoona nabwo yajumira omuze gw'okwiba ebibuuzo ogukanyira omu districts ezirimu Kisoro, Kampala, Mukono, Namutumba, Kasanda, Buyende hamwe na Kariro kandi yagira ngu gwine kukoma.
Also want you to convey my displeasure at some unprofessional practices in the administration of examinations and within the teaching profession. According to UNEB, such practices take place leading to examination malpractice, the common forms of examination malpractice being: 1. Posting specific invigilators to examination centers as demanded by school directors. 2. Posting invigilators to the very same schools where they are teaching.
Minister Janet yagaruka yereko kukwatwaho ahari aba bashomesa barokosha emirimo ekirikureetera abeegi bakora kubi.
To speak out and be vigilant against teacher absenteeism is a duty for all of us in schools. Why should a teacher who's earning a monthly paycheck be absent for a whole month and no single parent in that school is making any noise or alarm about this? Teachers who continue to receive monthly paychecks from the taxpayers' money but are absent from duty must be asked to choose whether they want to remain in the public teaching service at all or altogether exit and use their skills elsewhere.
Okurugera ekitongole kya UNEB abeegi basingireyo kukora Orungereza bakurasaho science hamwe na mathematics rero kandi social studies n'edini niyo basingireyo kukora kubi. Abojo basingireyo kukora kurungi ishome rya science rero kandi abishiki basingireyo kukora kurungi Orungereza.
Kama nwanda bizeho natungiza aggregate 5 none ntunze dito mu science nisima mukama kuza nwanda bizeho nwanyigiso aho kushoma nisima bashomesa banje abatushomise tukakoraje
nitsima ruhanga habwa aggregate 5 nitsima tine bugarukiro wenko mwana ubundi tinkumanya ntekatekaye ubundi tokamanya yanayandina kunkanyo we nitameze mukama yamuha ninsima ntine bugarukiro.
Ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.